Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are following our JavaScript for Beginner Series, you have already completed part 1 to part 6.3. Today you are watching part 6.4, another important step to level up your JavaScript skills. Let's continue learning in a simple and beginners friendly way. Make sure you stay till the end so you don't miss anything important. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro YouTube channel. Today's topic is about for in loop. A for in loop in JavaScript is used to go through each property. Property is nothing but it's a key of an object. Okay. For example, think of an object like a bag containing items with labels. Okay. The for in loop reads each label. Label is nothing but it's a key. Okay. Inside that bag. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Let me use the single line comment here. For in loop, let me write the heading for in loop. For in loop, and let me write the with a simple example of for in loop. Previously I already explained you what is for in loop. Now let me show you the example here. Student let student equal to curly brackets. Let me take the name here. Name, you guys can take any name, it doesn't matter. I am taking Mech Tech Bro. Mech Tech Bro. Okay, I am taking Mech Tech Bro. Age, I am providing age here. Age, you guys can take any random age, it doesn't matter. I am providing some random age. 1 second. Let me take some random age is 25, and I am providing grade here. Grade, you guys can give any grade, doesn't matter. I am taking A. Okay, let me explain you what is this example about. See here I provided name, age and grade. As you can see here, these are the keys. And Mech Tech Bro 25A, these are the values. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me write the syntax here. For in loop syntax. Let me provide a single line comment syntax. Okay, let me write the syntax for you guys here. For let key in object name let me take the curly brackets. Let me provide the single line comment. Code to run for each property. Just note down the syntax. Let me explain you guys what is this syntax about. See here I provided for. For is nothing but this tells that JavaScript that you are starting a loop. Okay, and the next what I provided, let key is nothing, let key is a variable. Okay, and it will store each property name like key of the object one by one. Okay, you can name it anything, it doesn't matter. You can provide key, prop, item, etc., it doesn't matter. Okay, see here, for example, on first loop, key equal to name. You guys can see here, in first loop key is the name, and in second loop the key is the age, In third loop, key is the grade. Okay. And you guys can see the word in tells that the word in is nothing but the word in tells that JavaScript to look inside the object and take each key from the object. Okay. And there is one more called object name. Object name is nothing but this is the object you want to loop through. Okay. See here, you guys can see, let student equal to name I provided Mech Tech Bro, age I provided 25 and grade I provided A. Okay. Here student is the object name. Okay, keep that in mind. Object name is nothing but this is the object you want to loop through. Okay. Putting it all together, for let key in a student, object name is nothing but it's a student. Okay. It creates a variable called key. It look inside the student object and pick one key at a time. Keep that in mind. See here, I provided curly brackets. Curly brackets are nothing but whatever code you write inside these curly brackets will run for every key in the object. See guys, let's move to the examples of the for in loop. The first example I am going to explain about. Let me take the single line comment here. Example 1. Let me use the single line comment here. Example 1. Example 1 is about looping through an object. Okay, this is the example 1. Just note it down. Looping through an object. Okay. First, let me write the code. Then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay. First, let me write the code. Let me provide multi-line comment for this. Asterisk. Asterisk and slash. Okay. Now I can write the example. Let student equal to, I'm providing the curly brackets. Just note it down. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly. Let me write the code first. Okay. Name I am providing any random text, it doesn't matter. Random text is nothing but mtb. Like, let me take the mtb. Okay, mtb. Let's take the age. I am taking some random number, it doesn't matter, 24. Use commas here. 24. After 24, let me provide the comma. And the third one I am taking city. City is let's take any random city name. Let's take Delhi. Okay. One second. Let me provide some double quotes here. Delhi. Okay. See here. Now I am writing now see here, for I'm starting the loop. I provided the for let key in student. Let key in student, and I'm using the curly brackets here. Console.log key let me take plus blank comment. Let me use quotes here. Okay. Plus student, okay, student and square brackets key. Okay. Now let me explain you what is this code about step by step. Okay. See here, first I provided object creation. You guys can see here. Let student equal to name I provided MTB, age I provided 24 and city I provided Delhi. Okay. These objects has three keys which are name, age and city, and three values which are MTB, 24 and Delhi. Okay. Keep that in mind. And here I am starting for in loop. Okay. Here I provided for let key in student. Okay. Means it creates a variable called key and go through each key inside the student object. Okay. Keep that in mind. In first iteration for loop 1, it goes to the key equal to name. Okay. And student key equal to what is the name here I provided MTB. So the name is MTB. Okay. It is the first loop 1. And in second iteration it's a loop 2. The key I provided is age. Okay. And student, it goes to student key is student key equal to what? 24. It's the value. Okay. And in third iteration it's a loop 3 and what is the key here? City. And student key equal to Delhi. Okay. And the output will be city Delhi. Okay. And the final output will be name MTB, age is 24 and city equal to Delhi. Okay. Let me run the code here for you guys. Now go to index.html, right click, open with the live server, right click, go to inspect, go to console. Now you guys can see here MTB, age is 24, city is Delhi. Okay. I hope you guys understand example 1 of for in loop. Let's move to second example. Let me use the single line comment here. Let's move to second example. Let me write the second example 2. Example 2 I am going to explain about loop through and a car object. Loop through a car object. Okay. See here. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay. See here. Let car. See here. Here I took student object name. Okay. Now I am taking object name as car. Okay. Car equal to curly brackets. Let me take the brand I am providing I like Jeep. Okay, I am taking Jeep brand. And the model, let me write the model here. Model, I hope you guys know Jeep Wrangler, so I am choosing model as Jeep Wrangler. W is missing here. Wrangler. Okay, I'm year. Obviously I need 2025 model, 2025. Okay, and now let me start the loop for let key in car. Okay, let key in car. Now let me provide the curly brackets here. Console.log key plus double quotes equal to sign and one more plus car. Let me provide key here. Key. Okay, see here, let me explain you what is this code about now. In first loop, the key is the brand. As you can see here, key is the brand in first loop, and the value will be Jeep, and it prints brand equal to Jeep. Okay, in second loop, the key is the model, and the value will be Wrangler, and it prints model equal to Wrangler. Okay, in third loop, the key will be year, and the value will be 2025, and it prints year equal to 2025. Okay, I forgot to provide commas here. Now let me run the code. Now you guys can check here. After running the code, now check here. Brand is Jeep, model is Wrangler, and year is 2025. For avoiding your confusion, let me provide multi-line comment for example 1. Asterisk, for stopping it, asterisk and slash. Okay, now run the code again. Now you guys can check here. Brand equal to Jeep, model equal to Wrangler, and year is 2025. I hope you guys understand for in loop. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.